friends, and welcome back to our channel and a new Python tutorial video. And in the last video we downloaded, installed Python, and in this video we'll start the basics of Python. So let's open the app. I'll search IDLE. Now you may be thinking, why IDLE, why not Python? Because Python is a coding language while IDLE is an interpreter, and the coding language we can open it on anywhere. We can code it on VS Code or anywhere you want. So I'll open IDLE. So this is how it looks like, and in this we can do anything we want. We can add numbers, 1 plus 1 2. We can subtract, it is 1. Then we can multiply, 3 multiply by, let's say, 4. We can get the answer 12. And then we can divide. We say 10 divided by 3, and this is the answer. Now it's coming with a float number because it's having some remainder. That's why it's a float number. And if we add, subtract or multiply, we have integers, but when we divide, even if it doesn't have remainder, it will get as a float number. I'll show you. Let's suppose 10 divided by 2. See, 5.0. That's why whenever we do division, we get a float number. And then we can make strings. Now you may be thinking, what are strings? Strings are, they look like this. We add double quote or single quote if you want, and then write anything like hat. We get hat. And then if we want to print it, now what is print? Print is a function in Python, and Python has very different functions. So we write print, and we have to give brackets. It's important because without brackets it will say syntax error, like this. If we do print hat, see, it is, did you mean print brackets? It's saying, so we have to add the brackets. It's like this, print brackets, and then you can write anything you want. Hat. You get hat. But when you wrote it in without the print function, it is giving with the quotes. But if we write with print, it is giving without quotes. That looks so beautiful. Then we can add strings, like if we want hat plus hat. Now think about what the answer will be. You can pause the video and think. The answer, it gives double hat in one string. Then if you want hat 10 times, then you can do multiplication. 10 multiplied by hat. It will get hat 10 times. We can do whatever we want in this. already started the string, and this is only the string, so this S laptop doesn't have a meaning. So in that case, you can add double quotes outside and then write single quotes inside. Then it will not give any See, it's working. So if you want something like this, Ahmed, and then it will give syntax error because this is one string and then this is one string. So this single comma and this S has no role. So for that, we can, if you want it like that, so you can do Ahmad, and then you can put a slash to ignore the special meaning of the comma and the S, and then we can put now let's check. Now it's working. So you can use Python for anything, and it's fun also. So meet you in the next video. So till that, bye bye.